getting your drone back in the air. You have just messaged us recently about a broken drone and then went completely silent when we started asking about what happened to your drone as well as the background info about how it crashed. Worst of all, when we asked how we could contact you, the conversation went dead. Don't worry, I completely get it. Trust me on this one, nobody wants to get spammed with sales calls or handed over to some random, sketchy backyard repair shop. You don't know us yet, and your drone is an expensive piece of tech you love. You might have just seen our drone repair PH ads on your feed recently, but you still don't know anything about us, our team, and our legacy, and for that, we fully understand. Now, believe it or not, our history actually has stretched back over 25 years. We've been in this industry a long, long time. Unfortunately, you only got to know us just now. So in order to warm up our introduction and prove to you that we aren't just a faceless internet page, we are a real, established business right here in Makati. We have put together a short 1.5-minute corporate introduction video so you can see exactly who we are, what we do, and how long we have been doing it. No pressure, no obligations. Check out the link below, get to know us a bit better, and whenever you're ready to get that drone back in the air, we're right here waiting to help you out. Video whoisdronerepair.ph